Queridos amigos e amigas.
Hello, friends. My name is Kaka, and I am here with the verse of the day. Today is very special, not only because of the verse itself, but also because the World Cup begins today. And because of that, there is a very special verse today found in James chapter 1, verse 5, which says, "If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives to all generously and without reproach, and it will be given to him." A little before this verse, James teaches about trials. Right after, he brings us this message about wisdom. First of all, he is teaching us that God, by his grace, gives us many things we ask for according to his will, and wisdom is one of them. And second, he is teaching us that we will go through great moments of difficulty. We don't only need strength to endure those moments, but we also need wisdom to know how to act in each one of them. The Bible speaks a great deal about three pillars: knowledge, discernment, and wisdom. We need to understand situations, grasp them, exercise discernment, and know how to apply that discernment with wisdom. And here, James leaves us this message about God's grace, that he freely gives us this wisdom when we seek direction to walk in the Lord's paths, always pursuing the will of God. And in the end, I think it's worth mentioning the importance of humility. We must always recognize that we will never know everything. In fact, we need to recognize we actually know very little. We must have the humility to always seek the Lord's direction and guidance in our lives, because he will give us that wisdom. And when he gives us his wisdom, it's not so that we ignore him, but rather so that we apply his wisdom according to his will. May God bless you all. Enjoy the World Cup.